Hello, Jack Middleton here, and today we're making a pumpkin spice smoothie. Some of you might be thinking, he's making a video about smoothies. I know how to make smoothies. But you know what I have to tell you? You don't know how to make this smoothie, and it is delicious. The method to making this smoothie is, of course, very easy. It's just like other smoothies. You take the smoothie ingredients and you put them into the blender and you blend them up. But I'm gonna take this opportunity to share with you some fun smoothie facts. Have you ever eaten a smoothie and then felt full again only 45 minutes later? If the answer is yes, then I've got a tip for you. If you want your smoothies to keep you fuller longer, then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna add some fat to the smoothie. And what do I mean by fat? My favorites are almond butter, peanut butter, tahini, coconut oil, olive oil. No, I'm just kidding, not olive oil. Another fat source you can use are just nuts on their own. For example, you can use pecans, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, cashews, really whatever you want to add. In this recipe, we've used both coconut oil and pecans. I had this smoothie the other day and I was full for 4 hours. It's basically a whole meal on its own, but super quick and easy to whip up. Next pro tip, if you're doing a smoothie that has a richness to it, something that might be chocolatey or a little bit on the heavier side, like this smoothie in particular, you're gonna wanna add a little bit of salt to it. It will really just take it up to the next level. The other tip I have is if you're using any kind of liquid, I would recommend using a plant-based milk instead of water. First of all, it has more vitamins and minerals. Second of all, it tastes better, it has more flavor. And if you can make it at home on your own, homemade nut milks are the best. Now, the one tip that I have specifically about this smoothie is that you'll want your banana to be frozen, because if your banana's not frozen, none of the other ingredients are frozen, so it's actually gonna be kind of like a warm smoothie. In fact, what I would recommend is buying lots of bananas and freezing them all at once every few weeks. That's what I do, very efficient, and it's nice to have frozen bananas in your freezer. So what you can do is you can throw all your ingredients into the blender, blend it up, and serve it. All right, that's it, that's all folks. This is my special smoothie of the season, served up right for you. Really simple, really quick, but really nice to have on a cold morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the recipe is down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel if you like vegan deliciousness and want more recipes, insights, and to hang out with me some more. You can also comment down below if you want to be a part of this community board experience. We can connect through the comment section. And also, of course, if you like this video, please like it, because otherwise not enough people like the video. I might stop making them. No, just kidding, I'm not gonna stop making them. Enjoy your pumpkin pie smoothie, and I will see you in the next video.